Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove the screen lock. As you can see, there is one right here. It keeps disappearing. But to get started, we will have to forcibly shut off the device because otherwise we can't really turn it off. Like if you don't know the passcode, if you try to shut it off like so and turn power off, it will give you this message, draw the pattern to turn off phone. So to basically bypass this, what you want to do is hold the power key and volume down together till the screen goes off, and once it does, then switch to holding a volume up and power key. Now make sure your screen is actually on so you can see when it turns off, because while you're holding the keys the screen won't turn off. And so yeah, let's begin. Power, volume down, hold it till it turns off. Okay, and now switch to volume up. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 logo, you can let go. And we should now be in recovery mode. And there it is. So from here we will use a volume up and down to navigate respectively up and down, and power key will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, let's select factory, wipe data factory reset, and confirm with the power key. And select yes, and once more. You get a little message on the bottom, wiping data, then data wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key to confirm that. And now the device will continue to perform the data wipe in the background, and it might take a little bit longer than it normally does for it to turn on. And once it's finished, it will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and we can set up the device. So I'm just gonna simply go through it. Let's choose English and continue. Nope, we should turn you off. Again, stop on I have read and agreed. Skip for now. Now I'm primarily skipping everything you don't really need to. You can set up the device if you like to. I just want to save on time. And we should now be on the home screen. And there it is. And if I lock the device and unlock it, you will see that there is no more any kind of pattern or any protection. So that is how you would perform a hard reset and also remove the screen lock in the process. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.